Welcome to week 4. Happy Earth Day, which is technically tomorrow. And for those who celebrate, Happy Easter as well. Welcome to week 4. Happy Earth Day, which is technically tomorrow. And for those who celebrate Happy Easter as well. We have now concluded 3 weeks of classes in an 8-week course. Is the equivalent of 1/3 of the course, or about 2 months of the class in a regular semester. So here we go on to week 4. Here are some items for you to be aware of this week. Please look at the calendar found at the end of the syllabus and as presented above. Here's where you'll see the topic being covered this week. Yes, 2 new chapters are the equivalent of 2 more weeks worth of work. Please pay attention to the due dates for the various activities, assignments, and exams. You can also find reminders for when assignments are due on the calendar of Blackboard. Here's a summary of what is coming due this week. Map quiz number 2, Africa and the Middle East, are due by Friday, April 26th by 11:59 p.m. Reflection number 2, available Wednesday, April 24th, is due Saturday, April 27th by 11:59 p.m. Exam number 2, chapters 5 through 8, it will be available Thursday, April 25th, and is due Sunday, April 28th by 11:59 p.m. Most students in the class submitted Geography News number 2, but 11 did not. For the special geography topics number 2, the English as the official language, 17 of you did not submit your comments. You have to remember that these are 2 different assignments, each worth 50 points if submitted by the deadline. You can always submit this assignment, but the further away you are from the due dates, the more points will be deducted. There are still 7 students who have not submitted Geography News discussion number 1, and 9 of you who have not submitted special topic number 1. Exam number 2 will cover chapters 5 through 8 and will be due Sunday, April 25th by 11:59 p.m. You will have 25 multiple choice questions worth 4 points each for a total of 100 points. You will have 90 minutes to complete it, and you can take it multiple times until the time it is due. The content of the exam comes from the lectures posted in the modules. Read the lecture slides, listen and watch the YouTube narrations of the lectures for each key issue. There are 4 per chapter. Read the respective textbook pages as indicated in the schedule. And last but not least, read the accompanying study guide. The study guide is a condensed version of the textbook. Think of it as the words the professor would speak in a face-to-face class while he lectures. 5 of you still have not submitted exam number 1. Reflection number 2 will be available Wednesday, April 24th, and is due Saturday, April 27th by 11:59 p.m. This is an activity where you compile the information you have read in all of the content areas and reflect on what you have learned by writing paragraphs about the topics asked to reflect upon. Please read the directions carefully to make sure you earn the maximum number of points available. I will be grading reflection number 1 in the next couple of days. Please remember to log into the course at least once a day so I can see that you are active in the class. A few students will likely be dropped this week due to not having logged in at least once and not completing assignments. Log into the course is how I take attendance in an online course, and it tells me whether you are active in the class or not. Those of you who are missing assignments or are inactive in the course are getting friendly notices from me. Please take care of the issues discussed on those emails so you can get out of the trouble area. Have a great rest of the weekend, and we'll see you online. Best, Samuel Cortez.